Говорят, что у тебя девушка белорусская.
Да. У меня есть. Белорусская, но студент. Она работает. Ее зовут... Before I play Cameroon, I play First League. Я думаю, Unimix это хорошая команда и хорошие люди. 7 брата, 7. Да, мы не футболтим.
Надеюсь, до конца сезона он будет с нами, да, Эрл? А не до лета. Не уйдешь, не отпустим просто так. Паспорт у нас. Крутись как хочешь. Добрый день, дорогие друзья, подписчики, те, кто следит за нашей командой, те, кто, может быть, впервые нас видит. Мы рады всех приветствовать на нашем канале, в нашем подкасте.
Да, ребят, всем привет. Очень быстро пронеслись 2 недели. У нас для вас есть очередной гость.
Да.
Очередной гость. Выбор на него пал не случайно. У нас сегодня в гостях первый африканский легионер в составе Юни Минск, который в этом сезоне будет играть за нашу команду, и мы встречаем Эрла.
Здесь не до конца сезона. Надеюсь, до конца сезона он будет с нами, да, Эрл? А не до лета. Не уйдешь, не отпустим просто так. Паспорт у нас. Крутись как хочешь.
Всем привет. Я зовут Арон Лионель. Я играю в команде Unimix. Я из Камеруна. Сейчас я учусь в университете Belgato. Okay, before I play Cameroon, I play First League. After this league, I go to another country. I play Cyprus Turk. I play maybe 1 year. I go back Cameroon. I play again first division. After I have one chance in coming in this country, Belarus. I come in like student because if you come in like it's difficult when we take an invitation football player, but I think it's better for me. I come in like student. I have my chance. I come in there. I play football, but now I want to play professional team. I wait my chance. If you have another team, I have very many teams want me. Yes, I play professional team maybe. Беларусь, потому что у меня есть брат, старший брат, он живет в Беларуси. У него, можно, 12 года, он в Беларуси, да. Он сказал мне, если ты хочешь играть в футбол, можно идти давай на Беларусь как студент. Вот. Поэтому я здесь. But it's my brothers, Patrick. He bring me Belarus. After he send me Michael. Michael have one team, amateur team. I forget this name. Standard. I started Standard first team. My first team, amateur team. I started Standard. After Standard, I play Exeter Simi. They say, okay, you play very good. If you want to come and play in Exeter, okay. Michael say, okay, it's not problem. Go play in Exeter. It's good team for you. I say, okay, I play Exeter. After Exeter, I have another team, Dynamo Living. Yeah. I play Dynamo Living maybe 4 games. 4 games, yes. I play Dynamo Living. After Exeter, I play very good Exeter. I make the goal. Every game, I make the goal. After I play with Unimix, I forget, but I think Unimix win. I don't know, maybe 1-0 like this. After Exeter, Unimix call me. Michael call me. Michael say Unimix want to come and play with him, with this team. She say it's good team for you. It's a very good team. It's the best team in Belarus. He have seat, you have popularity, you have sponsor, you have everything like a football professional, like a team professional. I say, okay. She said, go play in Unimix after Unimix. Maybe you have your chance. Another team see you in Unimix. Maybe a professional team see you. You play professional team after. 7 brata, 7. Mama, 6 нет, у меня нет сестра. Мы не футбол team. Один брат, он живет в Франции. Еще 5, он живет в Камеруне. Мой папа раньше он играет в футбол. Мой брат тоже раньше он играет в футбол. Но его есть болит. Он сказал все футбол, потому что очень болит. No, like professional football.
Папа знает, что перешел в команду новую, ну, что играет в Юни?
Он знает.
Знает?
Да.
Смотрит?
Он видит фото. Он сказал, окей, давай играть. Every time, if you have time, I call папа. Он сказал, играть, работать, и можно играть профессиональную команду. I go to Bershina, yes. Babus. I go to Bershina, but she say it's good, but it's not now. It's not possible.
It's not possible because you're
Because I'm a student. Because if you studying maybe first course, you finish your first course, maybe you can play a professional team. But now it's not possible. She say, but when you start start course, maybe you come in. Because in Africa have very many player talent, very good player. But you don't have this chance to play. If you play, maybe first division in Africa, maybe Cameroon, you play first division. It's not very good money. It's not very good money. If you have good money, maybe they give you maybe 1 month, 2 months, maybe 3 months after you don't have money. If you want to go Europe, because Europe, if you play Europe, you have power. You have everybody respect you. Maybe when you come back, you play maybe national team because you play outside in your country. It's like this. No, I play outside one time. When I come back Africa, everybody respect me. Everybody because I play another country. No, why I play again Africa? It's not. Yes, you have academy in Africa. Good academy, very good. Good coach. Good formation. But when you finish academy, you start maybe professional team if you have a chance. If you don't have a chance, you make maybe home. You wait your chance. But academy is good academy because good coach, everything is good. But I think I play academy. Before, I play academy, same team, my big brother, same team. I play maybe 5 years, maybe 5 years. After I finish academy, I play like a senior team. When you finish senior team, you play first division. When you have a chance, you play first division, maybe you play this team, second league or 3 league, maybe.
А кто-нибудь заиграл из твоей академии на высоком уровне?
Stéphane Bia. He played Marseille before. Marseille, he played Marseille. He played Rennes because I have another guy. He played same academy, but now he's not play again. He go France. He play France, but not a professional team. After he stop. From Cameroon, I have Roger Mila. Maybe you know Roger Mila. Yeah, legend. It's legend. I have Roger Mila. But in Africa, I like DJ Drogba. It's my favorite. But the best in Africa for me is legend is Didier Okocha.
Mane from Liverpool.
Oh.
No, it's not my best. My best is Didier Drogba. He's play very good. He's play very good, but he's a good person. But no very, but I know his life is very good person.
Говорят, что у тебя девушка белорусская.
Да. Yes.
Где познакомились? Какие планы? Я такого не слышу. Я все знаю.
It's no secret because I have only one girlfriend. Anyway, it's not a secret.
All your girlfriends from Cameroon.
No. I don't have, but now I have only one girl, Belaruska, no student. Она работает. Ее зовут Marina. He say I play Unimix.
На игры будет ходить?
Yes,
To
maybe.
see
Maybe when good.
Good weather, yeah?
Yes, because now it's very cold. Maybe хорошая погода, она from Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes, from Instagram. But I have one friend. He live here. He have maybe 10 years. He know this girl. She told me about this girl. She said, okay, it's good girls for you. If you want, take your Instagram, you write. After I write, I see this girl 2 times, 3 times, it's okay.
Okay.
I think it's good guys. Everybody is, when you play, if you reach in Nova team, Nova commander, if you play very good, everybody like you. If you good guy, simple guy, you like everybody, you speak everybody, you like your football, you like team, everybody like you. It's like this. I like football. I respect football. I respect team. It's normal. Everybody like me. But
Okay.
I think it's good guy. Everybody is a very good guy. About new coach, but it's not first time I see this coach. It's not first time.
Не первый раз видит.
I see this coach when I play Excited. He have another team before. He have another team. I play in this team. We lose maybe 5-4.
But you make 4 goals.
Make 4 goals, yes. Тити good. Он знает меня, coach. Он знает меня. Он знает, я хороший футбол плеер. Я играю хороший. No, about training is good training because you do is one time in 1 week. No, it's very good because you do everything in 1 day. You do shoot, you make grip, you make collective, everybody. I think it's good because it's only 1 day. If you make everything in 1 day, I think it's very good training. It's good because 1 day you do everything. But it's not good because football, if you want to play very good team, very good collective, you make your training every day. But I think it's not every day because it's amateur team. Some guys work. You have a work, you have job. No, it's not possible every day you make training. No, I know it's every day I training every day. I training Monday in only Saturday and Sunday I no training because I think it's game. I training Monday. Monday is morning. Morning I running. I go footing. I do footing. Evening I go gym because in morning I start university in 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. I go running in 7 o'clock. I finish I running maybe 1 o'clock 30 minutes. Every time I see good people, one time I don't have this problem, like a racist, like you see me, you tell me, like, what do you say? If you see me, you see, you think about me when I'm from Africa, it's not good for me. But I don't see racism in this country. I think everybody is good. Everybody is feeling very good. But about racism, I think it's not very. But it's very important. But this country don't have very big racist. They don't have because for me it's not. Everything is good for me. No racist, no everything is good for me. My favorite team is going. It's very top, but it's not possible. because now I want to play maybe professional team maybe 5 years. After 5 years or 6 years, I stop football because I want to help some guys. When I finish football, I think I make coaching or manager because I know very many people, very many Africans want to play football, but he don't have experience. But I think if I have experience, I make experience in football, I make connection, I make a good relation. When I finish football, I start a manager or coach. I think agent. Agent. I mean, maybe agent, maybe coach, because I want to help some people. My favorite team in the world
Yeah.
is Real de Madrid.
Поддержите кто-нибудь. It's a good choice, Errol. I want to take your hand.
It's my favorite long time because very long time because I have my favorite player is Ronaldo. Ronaldo from Brazilian. Ronaldo de Souza. Yeah. It's my best player in the world. It's my best player. Play very good. He played Real de Madrid before. Real Madrid because я думаю, Юнимис это хорошая команда и хорошие люди. Я знаю, когда чемпионат старт, я знаю, это очень трудно, потому что есть много команд, играют, хорошо играют, много. Все люди смотрят Unimix, потому что Unimix он the best команда in Belarus. Если он хорошо играет, я знаю, это очень трудно, но все люди помогли меня, я тоже помогаю его, ну, вот. Но хороший играет и хороший сезон.
Вот таким получился очередной Юни-подкаст. Вот, обязательно оставляйте комментарии, там, жмякайте колокольчик, подписывайтесь, все что угодно делайте, чтобы оставаться с нами.
Да, больше активности, и мы будем для вас стараться также максимально производить наши выпуски и стремиться все выше и выше.
Всем пока.
Пока.